The hopper gasket keeps things tidy by funneling your whole bean coffee into the grind chamber. To install, unplug your grinder, take your gasket, and place the thicker side into the top of the burr holder, pressing gently around the edges until secure. Reinstall the burr holder in your grind chamber by identifying the burr holder tabs. Only one of the two tabs is painted red. Place the burr holder so that the red tab aligns with the red marking on the adjustment ring. The red tab should point approximately towards setting 27. Finally, install the hopper by aligning the silver tab with setting 40, then rotating clockwise to your desired setting. Sometimes you may find that the gasket attaches itself to the base of the hopper while removing. This is normal. Just place the gasket directly onto the burr holder before reinstalling your hopper.